In addition to accurately measuring AC electric and magnetic fields in your living spaces, Safe Living Technologies offers a test kit with the tools required to accurately measure true RMS body voltage as listed in the Guidelines for Sleeping Areas in SBM 2015. The Body Voltage Home Kit allows you to measure the amount of AC voltage that is coupled onto your body from electrical wires hidden in the ceilings, walls, or floors, overhead power lines, power outlets or receptacles, extension cords, power bars, appliance power cables, and more. This kit is typically used in the sleeping area to determine what circuit breakers are impacting the body or what electrical cables or wiring are coupling energy onto your body. These circuits can be manually toggled on or off, or a remote cutoff switch can be installed to make the process more convenient. Included in the kit is a premium body voltage meter with 9-volt battery, user's manual, 18-inch hand test lead, the hand probe, a 20-foot ground wire, a grounding plug, ground clip, a grounding peg, an AC outlet tester, and a hard plastic carrying case. To measure, you will need to connect the meter to a known ground point. This can be with the included grounding plug as shown, or by using the included grounding rod inserted to the earth outside as shown. Before using a grounding plug, it is very important to test the AC outlet for correct wiring. Shown here is the indication for proper wiring. If the tester fails to show these two lights, do not use that outlet as a ground connection and have the wiring fixed by a licensed electrician. With a proper ground connection, prepare the meter and hand probe by connecting the black ground cable here and the red hand probe here as shown. The other end of the red cable inserts into the probe as shown. Turn the meter on into the AC voltage function as shown. Note that this meter is auto-ranging by default, so it will automatically adjust itself to the appropriate voltage range. Now we're ready to accurately measure a true RMS body voltage. Sit or lie in the position that you wish to measure while gripping the hand probe snugly in one hand as shown. Record the meter's reading. Note that other people in the area can influence this reading, so they should remain at least 5 feet away during the measurement. And while measuring, do not touch any other conductive area that could have a ground connection. Also, make sure your feet are not touching the ground or floor if you're sitting. Note the measurement on the display is shown in AC volts. Simply multiply this reading by 1000 for the value in millivolts. Next, we can see how your reading corresponds to the SBM 2015 Building Biology Guidelines for Sleeping Areas. A reading of less than 10 millivolts is ideal but difficult to achieve. 10 to 100 millivolts is considered weak. 100 to 1000 millivolts is strong, and anything over 1000 millivolts or 1 volt is considered extreme. If you see high voltages, the following options can be considered to reduce your body voltage. Unplug nearby power cords or extension cords in the area of measurement, including nearby rooms beside, above, and below if necessary. If the reading is still high, the source is likely the electrical wiring in the walls, floors, or ceiling, or power lines external to the building. You can also temporarily shut off circuit breakers that supply power to the area you're testing. If the affected circuits are critical and power a refrigerator, furnace, septic pump, life support systems, smoke or carbon monoxide detectors, do not turn these circuits off. If the branch circuit is non-critical, you can simply turn it off via the circuit breaker or have a remote cutoff switch installed on the circuit. Please consult with a licensed electrician for proper installation. Some wires are out of your control, like a neighboring wall in a townhouse. In this scenario, a conductive shield can be applied to the wall and grounded. For example, Y-Shield paint or Swiss Shield's Naturel Ultra fabric. For more detailed information about body voltage and other shielding or mitigation products, please visit the Safe Living Technologies website at slt.co.